If you are a product security manager or AppSec leader or CISO who's looking to implement DevSecOps and is not able to get it to work for some reason or rhyme, it's likely because you do not have alignment or you have misplaced expectations in the program. Now, the problem with DevSecOps is that you're essentially talking about something that a lot of product engineering people consider nebulous. A lot of them are used to CI, they're used to CD, they're used to DevOps and so on and so forth because they see very clear, they're able to identify with it very clearly. With DevSecOps, their experience has come from traditional gatekeeping type of security, which has been terrible so far, which is why they're very skeptical about what it can deliver. They have weird, misplaced expectations. The first thing you have to do if you want to set up a solid DevSecOps program is to set up expectations and understand specific projects, understand how they work, and then start implementing DevSecOps project by first respecting the running system. Most people start to go after this Big Bang style implementation, and that never works. Respect the running system, understand how teams work, and each team does it differently. Not one team is going to be the same, especially if you have multiple product engineering teams in your company. Each of them is going to have different processes, different ways they deliver, different ways that they collaborate, different ways they do DevOps, different ways they do CI/CD. So there's usually not perfect synchronicity between different teams, even within the same organization. So understanding this first and coming up with an approach that is specific to that team and allows them to scale it up as they go, and not through these big bang approaches, is the only way you can do it. So get alignment first, get them trained, get some kind of expectation setting done for them to understand what this is and how it is supposed to work.